Today I'm gonna show you guys how I made this modern wall clock and hope you like it. First, I have to remove all the existing parts of my wall clock. Once it's done, take all the measurement needed to transfer some of the parts of the wall clock. In this moment, take all the time you needed to remove all the parts of the clock. Mark the shape of the clock gear on the piece of wood. Here now all the cutting preparation. In this case, I use circular power saw to have a clean and easy cut, but if you don't have one, you can always use hand saw. In this section, I use power sander to trim all the edges of my wall clock frame. As always, you can use sandpaper, just have a little patience. What I'm doing here is marking the depth I needed to have a snug fit of the clock gear. I recommend using power drills and wood knife while doing this. Some professionals use power router, but in my case, since I don't have one, power drills and wood knife is enough. Give your wood a nice sanding process. This will help your project look really good before applying wood stain. Applying wood stain is the most easiest part. Just grab 2 pieces of rag, one will use to apply wood stain and the other one will wipe all the excess wood stain on the wood. Here, I'm sanding my wall crack paint before applying paint later. I choose gloss white latex paint since the theme of my house is white and wooden. 2 to 3 coats of this paint will do the job. Here now is the most exciting part, building all the pieces together and hope it will meet my expectation. I use the strongest glue that I have to attach my wood on the clock frame. And finally, this is the final project. Hope you liked the video and I'm glad if you build your own too. Make sure to subscribe and share for more content like this.